How to recover your H&R Block account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you recover your H&R Block account if you lost your access. The steps to recover a lost or forgotten H&R Block account may involve a combination of your email verification and password reset. Keep in mind that the procedures might evolve, so it's crucial to refer to the latest instructions provided by the H&R Block or contact their customer support for the most accurate and up-to-date information. So first of all, what you have to do is simply visit the H&R Block official website and then look for the option of sign in or create your account if you don't have one. Click on this login page and click on forgot your email and password. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Then provide the email address associated with your H&R Block account. This is typically the email address you used during the account setup. Now, H&R Block will send a verification email to your provided address. Check your email box for a message from H&R Block and follow the instructions within the email. In the email, there should be a verification link. Click on the link to confirm your identity and proceed with the password reset process. After verifying your email, you'll likely be directed to a page where you can reset your password. Choose a new secure password for your H&R Block account, and then once you have successfully reset your password, go back to the H&R Block login page and log in using your email address and the new password. After logging in, you may have the option to review and update your security information, such as security questions or two-factor authentication settings. Contact customer support in case needed. If you also encounter difficulties during the account recovery process, or if you are unable to access your account, consider reaching out to H&R Block customer support for assistance. Always refer to the latest guidance provided by the H&R Block or contact their customer support for specific instructions on recovering your tax account for the 2024 tax year. They will have the most accurate and current information based on any updates or changes to their system. This is how you can recover your H&R Block account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.